Kevin, hear what I'm saying? Okay, let's see if this will work though. Should work better. I think that was my problem. So I didn't have the volume up enough on the desktop. So let's see if this is working. Anyway, this is my new arcade. Ooh, 9 votes, awesome. This is for my... This here. This is for my group. Because I started an arcade group. And then... This is for the landmark. I have all my games here, as you can see. I even brought back my sleep ball game. Had a greedy card game table up, but I just couldn't get it to work properly. Along with the third main game that I got. And then this is a teleport. I'll go up to the dance floor. Just has a sitting spot. I have one of my noobs over here as a bartender, but I only give out Coca-Cola because it's a moderate area. And then I have a plate of like chicken wings right here. If you click it, it brings this up, and I'm just gonna discard it because I don't need that in my inventory. Cluttering it up, but I also set it up around here. The other thing that people have to pay for right now, unless I decide to put up that t-shirt kiosk thingy, is this game. It's only one in London. And I have a nice hangout area over here. Next to the jukebox. This is a dance ball. It has different dances. I think it has like 20 different dances. Yeah, there's 20 of them. Okay. And since you're probably wondering what's in my hand, it's a bowling ball. I'll go there next. I think I might get a different bowling alley though, because this one laughs at you if you miss, and it kind of bugged a friend of mine. Well, it bugged her. I'll show you. Okay. Okay. And then you go into mouse look. Ew. Oh. Except I need to start the game. There we go. It's been also malfunctioning lately too, so. Wow, that was really sad. See what I mean though? It laughs at you if you miss. I got that one. Oh yeah, you can play up to 10 frames. guess it's working now. There we go. Don't know if I have to pick that one up. Huh, it's working now. I might still get rid of it though, because it laughs at you. Or I have to find a different way of... See if there's a different sound I can make when you miss. Anyway, that's the game. I'm not gonna finish. I'm gonna detach that from myself. And then I also have an interview room. Hold on. Let me go there. Teleport. And it goes up here. It's just on top of my building. It's just a nice little interview room for like if I want to interview people when they come to my place. See what they're doing with their day. What their goals are. And I have a nice little couch here, and then the chairs. And a sign right here that says YouTube. I was thinking about putting a carpet in here. Maybe put up a camera just to make it more professional looking. Let's see. That's about it. I'm gonna go back to the arcade floor. Teleport. And I even have those snack machines just for looks. This cat here, like, greets the people that come here when I'm not here. It counts the visitors I have. And I can also get tips from it. There's people who want to tip me. They don't have to, though. And there's my metro station. Again, I have a little sitting spot in case people just want to hang out here with their friends and they don't actually want to play a game. That's it. Now let's see if the sound is working properly. I'm going to end my video here. You guys have a good day, and subscribe, and like, and share. And if I can get to 50 subscribers, I'll dye my hair blonde. Alright, you guys have a good day. Bye.